So, starting from this one, the first one you see that triangle in between, the biggest one we see, that's Mount Trishul.
Oh, the biggest one.
The biggest one in the middle, it's like a triangle shaped structure, okay? That's Mount Trishul.
Sorry, can you just repeat it?
Mount Trishul.
That is Mount Trishul.
Which one? The biggest
The one, not the biggest one, right in front. जो मेरा हाथ जहाँ पे straight सीधा जा रहा है, that is Mount Trishul. Now guys, that peak is 7,120 meters, okay?
Which means?
Now, a lot of local people say that nobody has ever climbed that peak because they believe it's the abode of Lord Shiva. But that peak has been climbed way back in 1907 by a Britisher, okay? And then it was the highest peak to be ever climbed by someone. That was the highest peak to be ever climbed by someone. And the most interesting thing about that peak is in late 1980s, there was a team from Yugoslavia. They climbed the peak and then they paraglided from the top of it.
Wow.
That's one of the interesting part, yeah. So if you go and do the Rupkund trek, you're just standing face to face to that peak, okay? Then there are a couple of more peaks just right, left and in front, but we can't see because those peaks have been merged. That's the highest one. You have Nanda Ghunti, you have Ditratoli, and you have a couple of more peaks. Kali Dak another, okay? Now coming to the left side, you see this shaped structure peak, thumb shaped.
Yeah.
Like it's like this. That is Nanda Devi East.
Which one?
The one in front, this it looks like a thumb.
one.
It looks like a thumb.
Here.
That is the highest peak we can see from here, and that is Nanda Devi East.
That is India's highest mountain.
India's highest peak, which is entirely in India. We also say it's Kanchenjunga, but then we share it with Nepal. But this one is the highest peak, 7,818. Now I'm gonna tell you a quick story about this, okay? You may just go back and read about it. Have you heard about the Nanda Devi nuclear case which happened late in 1960s? No. So what happened? There was the Indian Army, in collaboration with US, they organized an expedition in which they thought of planting a nuclear device on top of the peak so that they could keep a check on the other side of the border. That is just behind the peak. There is China. Okay. Yeah. So in collaboration with US and Indian Army, they wanted to go to the top and put it there. Okay.
Like a missile.
Yeah, like a missile. It was actually a camera, okay? But then you have to power it with a nuclear device because in such cold condition and harsh weather, it's difficult to sustain, right? So what happened? They climbed the peak and they reached the top. They reached the summit camp basically, and then from there they were supposed to go to the top, but then they were stuck in a heavy storm and then they could not climb to the peak. And they thought that, okay, we'll leave this nuclear device here only, and then they descended down from there, thinking that we'll come back again and we'll keep it again on the top. But then when they came back again, they could not find it. It's lost now. There are different stories around it, what happened to it, but as per the
different
conspiracies around it, yeah. But this is the closest to it, so you may just read a little bit about it. So that's Nanda Devi East. Yeah. So entry is not really allowed there. Entry is not allowed. Then coming to more left is you see two peaks. Okay, one is sharp, the other one is dome structured.
Right, yeah.
That is Shiv Parvati. Theek Manoj ji? That is Shiv Parvati. Okay. Then in front, left side, you see another triangle shaped peak. That is Dunagiri. Dronagiri also you call it. Dronagiri. Now I'll tell you another thing about Dronagiri. Have you heard about Ramayana?
Yeah.
In which Hanuman went to get the Sanjeevani booty for Lakshman so that he could make him, bring him back to life. So from here he brought all those herbs to all the way down to the South India. Yeah. So a lot of people say that you still find all those herbs there. In fact, have you heard about Ramdev, right? So Ramdev ki jo peeth hai, Pitanjali, they are still doing some research work there, and they think that there are some life-saving drugs which you find there. Yeah, and then there's a village which is named after this peak only. So there is no peak in the world which has a village on its name. So there is a village also which is Dronagiri. Okay, so Hanumanji took a part of the mountain from there and took it all the way down to south. Okay. Then coming to the left, again we have another peak, that's Changbang. This is named after one of the famous climbers from China. They both climbed the peak, but while descending down, they died. So this peak was named after them, Changbang. Okay, then coming all the way to this one. This one. Okay, we see this ridge, right? The brown one. Just right to it, you see a flat summit. This is Hathi, Ghodi, Palki. Hathi Parvat, Ghodi and Palki. Palki is in between, which is a saddle. That's actually a high altitude pass. Now coming to this one, you see a very small portion of a peak, like a small hump and a triangle. That's Neelkant. Okay, Neelkant, and then this is Chaukhamba, 7,140.
This is Chaukhamba,
Yeah, this is Chaukhamba.
which we saw the other day.
That is not Kedarnath.
Yeah, this is what we spotted from Devriya Tal.
Wow, we
This
came
is-
here.
This is Chaukhamba.
Okay.
Left you have Mandani or Mahalay? Mandani, then Mahalay, and then you have Kedarnath and Kedar Dome.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is Kedarnath and Kedar Dome, and the Gangotri Valley is just behind Kedarnath. So the two major rivers, Bhagirathi is coming from behind, from that side, and Alaknanda from this side, and then go and meet down in Devprayag. Devprayag. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets in Devprayag. Yeah. And you can clearly see the glaciers on the peak, right? You see a plateau, right? Yeah. So these are all glaciers. Okay. There are one more peak. You see at the back, if you go towards left from Chaukhamba, there's a sharp, like a 90-degree peak that's like covered with the snow only. It's like standing. Usko Hanuman Mukut. That is Hanuman Mukut. That peak is Hanuman Mukut. हाँ, थोड़ा आप और बताइए अगर आपको तो पता है और peaks पर. He knows more peak.
आइए आगे आइए.
ये चौखंबा के उस जिस वक्त काफी स्नो दिख रहा है, वो हनुमान मुकुट है. इस साइड में दिख रहा है जो सिंगल पीक नुकीली वाली, उसे कहते हैं जन मुकुट. ठीक है. और ये मंदानी है, महालय है, और सुमेरु पर्वत है, और केदार डोम है. ठीक है. केदार डोम के आगे जो है कि कीर्ति स्तंभ है. कीर्ति स्तंभ से आगे द्रौपदी डांडा है. उसके बाद लास्ट में जो पीक दिख रही है वो है गंगोत्री. हाँ, स्नो वाली. हाँ.
Couple of more things I want to tell you since you have reached this
केदार
place,
डोम
right?
में इसके साइड में जो है केदारनाथ जी का टेम्पल है जो प्रथम केदार में आता है. मधुमेश्वर है, मधुमेश्वर ये चौखंबा के नीचे है, और मधुमेश्वर के ये चौखंबा के नीचे जहाँ पर स्नो है लास्ट, वहाँ पर गर्म कुंड की धारा निकलती है. जैसे गर्म कुंड है और वहाँ पर पानी की
Hot springs, yeah.
वहाँ तक तो मैं भी जा रखा हूँ.
Okay, guys, just couple of more things. You see all these snow-clad mountains, right? Now this is the Great Himalayan Range, is what we say. Himalayas are divided in three portions. This entire thing is the Great Himalayan Range. Where we are standing is the lesser or the lower Himalayas. And then you have the foothills, Rishikesh, Haridwar. They are the foothills of the Himalayas, lesser Himalayas and the Great Himalayas. Now the entire range, this side it's going towards southeast, is where Sikkim is. That side it's moving towards northwest, going towards Himachal, further to Jammu Kashmir and Pakistan. This side. Yeah. And you see those glaciers on the mountain, right? Glaciers I saw you. Can you just make out that there are cracks in between? They are called the crevasses. Okay. So what happens? Now it takes thousands of years to form a glacier. Because you know how they are formed? Glaciers are formed where the melting rate is slower than the freezing rate. So when the snow falls there, it freezes. By the time the next snowfall comes, it's still there. So it keeps adding further. So it is formed, maybe it must have taken some 1,000 years. Okay, the base layer of this glacier will be the oldest one. Now glaciers in the daytime, because it's so sunny, bright sunshine, it keeps moving and it breaks. So that's why you see these crevasses in between. And these crevasses could be 10 feet to 10,000 feet deep. Yeah. So that's the glacier. And then if there's one term, crevasse is a mountain terminology. There's another one. If there's a glacier and there's difference between a glacier, like this one is a little higher and this one is lower, you call this a Bakshund. So these are some mountain terminology I'm telling you. And you see all these pile of stones which we see on this peak, Chandrashila peak. Here they have done it because they have done it here because they have reached the top and to pay some prayers or they have done it. But when you go to but then when you go to the mountain, right, when you go deep inside where you do not see any trail, there are big boulders to climb. So there you use this to mark directions. You call this thing Cairn or cane, C-A-I-R-N in mountain terminology. So once you reach a spot, the topmost stone will direct you towards the next cairn. From there, once you reach there, you'll see the third one, another further, because otherwise if you do not have this, you might get lost on the trail. You won't be able to find it again. So this is something else, but you find it on boulder section. Yeah, and just round of applause for the team for reaching the summit. Like we started so early in the morning, it gets difficult, right? You can't see anything, but I'm sure you all enjoyed the sunrise from the top. Most of us, in fact. So congratulations. And from here, you two want to go down now? Okay, rest of you want to click photographs?
Yes.
Okay, so rest of us will go together, okay? Manoj ji will go from front. You two will start now. We'll do one thing. Manoj ji ko fir saath. Wait guys. Manoj ji, aap start kariye. Guys, at the back I'll be there because Dikambar ji and Ranjit ji has gone. So I'll be sweeping from the back. You may go with Manoj ji.
Okay.
I mean, if you're using it, no problem. Just came, so I'm gonna. Guys.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? क्या काम क्या है?